Hi, as a SOLIDWORKS partner, we see a lot of engineering teams in today's world hit on the same wall, managing thousands of files without losing the track of versions. You know you need PDM, but the big question here is upgrading from standard to professional worth it? Let's break it down in this video. SOLIDWORKS PDM is a fantastic tool for small single-site teams. It handles your basic version control and the simple workflows. As the data grows, the engine under the hood starts to matter. PDM Standard runs on SQL Express, which has a basic data size limit of 10 GB. It's good for the light users, but for power users, the real ceiling approaches faster than you think. Professional version upgrades you to Microsoft SQL Standard. This upgrade is not just about more storage, it's about more performance. It can handle massive data sets with ease and also allows you to multi-site replications. If your team's having seated in different cities or in different countries, needing to having access the same dataset without lag, professional is must have. Here's a time saver factor for automated tasks in PDM. In SOLIDWORKS PDM standards, conversion of PDFs and DXF files manually will take a tedious time of designers. And this task completely falls under engineers, which will delay in process. In PDM Professional, you can automate this task entirely. Imagine every time a file is approved, the system automatically generates the PDF and sends it to shop floor. That alone can save your team hours of tedious admin work every single week. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for a scalability, multi-site collaboration, or a heavy automation for freeing up your designers, the answer is resounding yes. As your authorized reseller, we are here to help you audit your current workflows and see which version fits your goals. Reach out to us today for a demo and let's start and scale it up your PDM journey together.